Good morning, guys. Welcome back to spelling. Sort 16 this week, short E and long E. Just like sort 15, there are two CVVC patterns for the long E sound. We have EE and EA that both make the long E sound. Our consonant vowel consonant is our short E sound. Homophones, weak and weak. Call attention to the fact that words with different meanings must have different spellings to them to tell them apart when we read and spell. So W-E-A-K is like a weak muscle or a weak link, where W-E-E-K talks about our weeks in the month. There is one oddball. There is not a header for this. Pay attention to our spellings and our patterns, and it should be a word that is simply found as an oddball. I do not believe there are any words that will trip you up that you don't know. Let's just take a look at our patterns again. CVC, short E, as in next. CVVC, long E, spelt EE. And CVVC, long E, spelt EA. Short E, long E, spelled E, EE, and EA. One oddball. Get your words cut out and sorted. I will check your sort, get you your short list. Once your sort is complete, I will get you your packet for the week. Make sure you pick up any scraps and put scissors and glue away.